Hey, Makeup for Besties. So I am really interested in looking at a yin and a yang type of makeup look. So I found one beautiful soul who was doing it. I'm going to put her name right above here once the episode is done. And you get to vote at the end of the full segment. And the full segment will be on my YouTube channel, Welcome to the Nash House. So I really like how she went across the nose. The blue is really pretty. Ooh, I see the red. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Alrighty, this is the second contestant for Makeup for Besties. We are still going with the theme of yin and yang, and it looks like this natural, really beautiful woman is deciding to only do the yin and yang on the eyes. And it came out flawless. Look at, oh, she's doing it on her neck too. Now tell me what you think about this one. I think she did pretty well. Yeah, I like it. All right, besties, this is the last and final contestant of today's episode of Makeup for Besties. You will get to actually vote on the YouTube channel, so make sure that you're subscribed over there. But we are going for the yin and yang, and you get to tell us which one was the best one. Now, she is making this completely even, all the way down her face, which I appreciate. It was very difficult to find anybody who has done a full face. If they did do one, they only did it like about right here, and that's not full face. That's just they're just half. You still got more face. But it looks like we're also taking the extra time to do something really unique with the eyes, which we've seen this on the second contestant. Oh, now that's pretty. I like it. All right, besties. So you tell me which was your favorite look. Look 1, look 2, or look 3. Make sure you vote. And don't forget, I'm going to be live on my TikTok, Welcome to the Nash House, finishing this makeup look. I'll see you later. Love and light.